Hello and welcome to my Dixie Belle makeover featuring a brand new paint color from the Cottage Collection. Today's project is this super cute little buffet. It has dated handles but in pretty good condition, so today we're going to refresh the top and paint the base. After a good clean, you're ready to begin. For this project, I'll be replacing the dated batwing hardware with the new hardware. So that means I'm going to replace these holes and cover them up fully before I begin. Once the Dixie Belle mud has dried, I can sand back to flat. This can also be used to cover any damages. So what's the plan for the painted base on this project? Introducing a brand new color from Dixie Belle's Cottage Collection. This is Weeping Willow. Before I begin to paint, I'm going to make sure to give this project a sand scuff. Sanding and scuffing the base of the project will allow my paint to adhere well. This beautiful color, called Weeping Willow, is one of 6 brand new colors from the Dixie Belle Cottage Collection. It's a gorgeous green minty sage. It has a very boho vibe, and I think you really like the coverage that you get with this paint. I'll be using a smooth synthetic brush to apply this paint to my project. You can also use a spray misting bottle filled with water to help minimize any brush strokes. For this project, I'll be applying 2 even coats of chalk mineral paint. I love all of the new colors that are available from the Cottage Collection. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see all 6. You can see me here painting right over top of the holes that I filled with Dixie Belle's mud. Since I sanded them back to flat, the holes that were there originally will just disappear. This allows me to drill new holes for new hardware. If your drawers on the project that you're working on are similar in style to these, which means a wood-on-wood glide, you can use Big Mama's butter on the glides to lubricate the area and allow those drawers to smooth out and glide easily. This will also provide you with a fresh new scent. Since I work indoors in a climate-controlled area, my first coat dried very quickly. I was then able to come in and apply the second coat. This is Howdy Do hemp oil. This is one of my favorite Dixie Belle products. I use it a lot to condition wood in my own home. All you need to do is apply it to a smooth applicator pad and wipe it on. You're going to see the difference in the wood immediately. It nourishes it, it conditions it, and it gives it a beautiful shine. It also hides any minor scratches and really brings back the true color of the wood. Since this color goes so well with the Weeping Willow chalk mineral paint, I will just be conditioning it with the Howdy Do hemp oil and leaving it like this. I came in and used my measuring tape to measure and mark where the new holes will be inserted for the new hardware, and used some recycled hardware that I had in the shed for this project. I sealed the base of this project with Howdy Do hemp oil, and look at that beautiful shine.